I won't gonna get a whole lot anyway. This is what they have. Let's see, how much are these? $2. Welcome to the patch, $2. These are $1. These are nice for trays. $3. This is probably $5. Yep. They have some magnets. They have these. Some filler. These are probably $1. Yeah, those are $1. That's cute. I don't know where all that come from. Jesus. $5. These are cute. Are these candles or bowls? Bowls. We have these down here. Let's see how much are these. Let's say 3. Yep. And these are probably 3. I have some mats. $10. These are cute. All these ones have some mats this week. This says welcome and thank you. Oh, I like these plates. I'm gonna get some of these. I like the colors. Let's see, $8. Let's guess. 10. Runner. And the blue truck. The runners are 68 inches. I'll put that back in 1 second. I like that. You can put it in the kitchen. You don't have to put it at the door. I have some mugs. I think my mom wanted one of these. $3. Hello Fall. These are probably $1. And then they have some placemats for $2. And these are $2. So this is all they have right now. $1.50. These are probably $2.50. These are pretty too. $2.75. These are $1. That's all they have right now, y'all. Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. So today I went to Dollar General. I called my store and they had some items out. I'm starting to see some stuff from the Target Bullseye Playground. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to go there or not, but we'll see. I've been a little slack with them. But anyway, they had a few things out, but they had some cute things out. I have to go back on Instagram and see the other things that are out. So this first thing here is the Tapestry Door Mat. And this was $10. And I wasn't going to use it like as my front door mat or anything like that. I was going to use it in the kitchen. So it does have like a little foam backing. And then they had some other ones too. They also had doormats, but I think I did do some footage in the store so you guys be able to see that. Okay, I went back and forth if I was going to get any placemats, and they had these here. They were $2. I only got 4. I try not to get all 6 or all of the same ones, and I try to mix it up. So I did get these. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. If not, it can work with something else. I can make it work. So this was $2, and the Tapestry Placemats were $2. They had some other designs as well, but I didn't like those too well. Okay, well, they were cute, y'all, but I just didn't. I preferred the little blue truck over those. I did wish I picked up some blue truck things from Dollar Tree that I saw, but now I don't remember what they look like. So anyway, I got this little pumpkin. I probably have way too much decor, but we're gonna make it do what it do, y'all. So it's so exciting to get it. So this is $2. I got a W. And then this one here, this one that says Hello Fall, this was the only one, so it was $3. So hopefully they'll put out some more things. I may just go back to look to see what they have. I'm not sure if I'll actually get something. It has to be super cute, but I'm gonna go back on IG. Ooh, I'm trying to rearrange, y'all. IG and see what other things I have seen people put out. These little shadow boxes are really cute. They are $1. They're good to make little vignettes, put on trays, put on tier trays. This one here that says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. I'm loving the blue this year with the sage green and the orange. I love, you know, I like the orange, the bright oranges, but I love the muted colors too. I love the black with the buffalo plaid, even though this is not buffalo, well, it's a plaid. But I like this Thankful, and this is $1. I got this one that says Give Thanks. I probably should have grabbed the other one from Mama. This latte. So really cute to set up your little bar. If you're new to the channel, y'all, I keep forgetting to introduce myself at the beginning. My name is Hope. And on the channel, I do DIYs. Sometimes not as many as I used to, but if you came to the channel because of a DIY, welcome. Emergency preparedness for your family. If you saw my food prepping video, if it was for a tablescape or however you found me, welcome. And I love to decorate my home for the seasons, for the holidays. I want to do a little bit more than what I do, because that's the reason why I started my channel. I really just started my channel for the tablescapes and stuff. So anyway, I got these napkins. Speaking of that, that was a good segue. And I love to pick up these little paper napkins for, mainly I like to get them from Dollar General because they're a little bit sturdier and they're affordable and cheap. But you can get them from Dollar Tree. Of course, I like the ceramic, but I also like the paper too, easy cleanup. So these are the more, what they call these, the Luncheon Napkins. These were $1.50. They had another design. Oh, I didn't get it unless it's in another bag. I thought I got the little dessert plates. The regular size plates, these are $1. You get 8 in there. And then these bigger plates, you get 8. They're $2.75. I thought I got it, y'all. Maybe she put it in another bag. Hold on. Okay, y'all. And I also want to say, y'all, if you can wait to Saturday, Dollar General has 5 off of 25. But I know in my store, stuff gets gone. So you got to get it or it's going to get gone. Stuff really went quick in my Dollar Trees. I went today and they didn't have nothing but like the stuff they've been having for years. The little shabby pumpkins. But anyway, y'all, if you can wait or if your store doesn't grab up stuff super fast, wait till Saturday. Sometimes it prints off at the bottom of the receipt, or you just download their app and you can do the 5 off 25. Also, you know, of course, if you coupon there, and I have not been couponing at Dollar General in so long. I missed it, but I really don't. I need to fill in my gaps, but I have a lot of stuff. Okay, y'all, so I got this kitchen towel, Fall Sweet Fall. This is super cute. I should have got 2. Because you know how you like to put 2 on your stove handle. Yeah. Then this pumpkin patch. This says hay rides and apple cider, open daily. They had another cute one with a pumpkin. This was $2, but I got this one. These little pumpkins here, I think they only had one of this one. It was $5. I don't know if somebody beat me to it, but she said they just put them out today. So that might have been all that she put out or all they had. And then they had several of these little plush pumpkin these here. And then these little square pumpkins, they say Thankful. They had some other ones too. I think I showed it in the footage, and these were $1. So these are so affordable too. And this one that says Bless, to decorate your little tier trays. Uh-oh, I got one more bag, y'all. Okay, y'all, so lastly, I don't have the dessert plate, so I don't know. I'm gonna look at my receipt because I did have to run to the back because these right here on the one I picked up didn't have this sticker here. So she was scanning while I was gone, and I was like, they don't look like I spent no $69, but probably so, because you know how that stuff adds up, like the $10 stuff. But anyway, I got 2 of these mugs, and one I got from Mama. So whichever one she want with the car. I just really want one to decorate. Well, I do drink coffee sometimes, but usually Jason uses the mugs more than I do. So I just want one to decorate my little bar. And I don't think I have any from last year. So these are $3. They had some other designs too. So that one says happy fall, y'all. And then I got this table scatter here, or, you know, with the pumpkins and stuff. Is that what they're calling it? But y'all know, it's $3. They also have it in the muted oranges, but I wanted it in the blue and the green. So I was like, that will go well with some of that stuff I got from Big Lots a couple of years ago. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got. I am curious. I was just tired of driving around what's at the other Dollar General. They can be a little slack, the one by my house. So they may not even put the stuff out yet. The other one is pretty good at putting stuff out. So let me know what you all found. Has your store put out stuff? I know they were doing inventory, so it took them a minute to put the items out. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.